Well, good afternoon from our little car yard down here in Mount Hawthorn in Perth, Western Australia. So, title of the video is a funny one. Now, actually, this is the first video for the new channel, the Ollie Beau show. So you can only see Ollie, no Beau. He's shot off to Osborne Park to get some new gas struts for a Kia that we've got. For the tailgate was kept falling down, so we wanted to get some new struts to make sure it stayed up, get the cars right. $2 save you thousands of bucks. And how does that work? So basically, when you buy a car, the cars all have history. New cars not necessarily, but used cars all have a history. Now that history can be all kinds of things. Now one of the big things that you got to worry about when you're buying a used car is what's called a repairable write-off. So you might have heard of it as the WOVR, so the written off vehicle register. So basically, a car comes into stock, we do a PPSR check on the car, it costs $2. Now, that's going to tell us two things. One, if it's on the repairable write-off register, and two, if there's any money owing on the car. Now, if you've got a loan on your car, the finance company will put an encumbrance on the vehicle to let anyone know that if they're buying the car, the finance company's got to get paid first before the owner gets paid. Now, simple thing, if we buy a car for 10 grand and there's a $6,000 payout, basically we pay the finance company $6,000 and we pay the customer $4,000. So that's the $10,000 we agree to pay for the car. With the WOVR and with the written off vehicle register, now some cars get into accidents, it happens all the time, and sometimes insurance companies just write the car off. There's a couple of different categories. There's statutory write-off and repairable write-off. With a repairable write-off, it can be fixed. So maybe not necessarily anything wrong with the car, but it has been in an accident. Now, I've seen repairable write-offs from fires in dashes. I've seen repairable write-offs from major impacts, left-hand, right-hand side, rears, all that sort of stuff. Now, would I buy a repairable write-off car? Probably not. No, I probably wouldn't buy one. We definitely don't buy them. We don't sell them here in the yard. They're very, very hard to insure. They're very, very hard to finance, and it just creates more hassle than good, really. But people do buy them. They're usually a later model car, and they're usually a little bit cheaper than one that hasn't had that history. So, is it a bad thing? I'll give you an example. A mate of mine had a Ferrari. It had the rear bumper was damaged and the bumper wasn't available. The insurance company wrote the car off because they're not going to wait 12, 18 months for a bumper. They've got to pay for a rent-a-car. They've got to pay all that money. So they just write the car off, pay my friend out, and then it goes to auction. Now, it's a repairable write-off from a bumper. Yep, okay, the new owner maybe buy a bumper, get a bumper from overseas, spend more effort to try and find a bumper and fix it, but that car's always going to be a repairable write-off. Not necessarily a major accident, but still, every time you go and check the car, write-off. $2 is going to give you the check on the PPSR website. Now you can find all sorts of websites that give you a PPSR check from $10, $20, $30, $40, $50. You don't have to spend that, it's $2. I'll put a link down in the description below. Just go on there, you get the VIN, so the vehicle identification number, the chassis number, put that in, put your email address, bank account details, and they will email you a certificate and it will show you what's going to happen, like what's happened to the car. It should give you a brief history of the car. Is it always correct? 99.9% of the time it's correct. I have had them before where it's showed a damage, and one owner from new definitely never been damaged, and we have to talk to the register and they found out there was an error, the two numbers were backwards from another car. But do the check. Anytime you want to buy a used car, check on the PPSR register. Do not buy a car without checking. It could cost you thousands of bucks. Now the phone just rang, so I've got to go and do something. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it does save someone some money sometime in the future. So we'll make plenty more content, I promise, from our little yard here. So we'll see you in our next video, guys. So bye, and hopefully Beau will be in the next one.